Sharon Moulder with Sanders. Ben told you about me. I manage the small business department. They sent me to a conference in Nashville in June, and it was accounting technology. Intuit put this on. So I came back with like, oh my goodness, there's so much stuff out there that we don't know about. So I started doing a little research and I found a website which, if you want to copy it down, up there, this is where I went to find it. So the things that we're going to go over, I'm just touching on a few of them. But if you think that there might be a way to do it easier, there probably is. So you just have to look and find what's right for you. They're not all perfect, so you just kind of have to decide what your needs are. And if Quickbooks doesn't meet them, there's probably an app out there that integrates with Quickbooks that will help you do whatever it is that you want to do. I was just going to go over a few of them that work really well with Quickbooks that I'm familiar with. But the ones for billing and invoices, there's several that you can do from your phone. This one, I'm probably not going in the order on here, but this is for your Android or tablet. You can actually, if you provide a service, so you do lawns and you're traveling all day long and you want to invoice your customers, but you have to wait till you get home or do it the next morning, or you might forget, you can do it on your phone. You can email the copy of the invoice to your customer right there and they have it. You can accept their payment. There's a thing called the Square, which I didn't print that out, but it's this little bitty square thing that plugs into your phone and it's a credit card swiper. So, and those kind of things integrate with QuickBooks. But this one's called mobile route software. So you install it on your phone, and then you can download your customer data from your QuickBooks to that, and then it just makes it available from your phone that way. And then you have to sync it to QuickBooks. Like when you get home, you plug your phone in and sync it with your computer. One of the other ones that I really liked. QuickBooks Mobile. With QuickBooks Mobile, you can actually, you're looking at QuickBooks. It'll look a little different, but you can do most of the things that you can do if you were on your computer. The things that...
Now, is this assuming you have QuickBooks internet on the net or versus QuickBooks on standalone?
Just on your computer at home.
Okay.
You would have to sync your phone with your computer to get some of these work. They work different ways.
Yeah.
So, but I think this is the one like you would come home and sync the information to your computer. But you could use QuickBooks Online. I just don't think it's as flexible as desktop QuickBooks. And I really have a feeling that QuickBooks Online has a short life left because of all the new technology. It's really not necessary. It's not as easy to use as regular QuickBooks. It's very cumbersome. With the cloud and all of that, now you can have your desktop QuickBooks and still access it from anywhere. So why would you need the online version? So I think that's where they're going with that.
Question?
Yes.
If you have several companies that use QuickBooks, is it possible to access them all using QuickBooks Mobile?
They're your companies?
Right, for several.
Yeah, you can do it for as many companies as you want, as long as they're your companies. So I'm not sure how that would work. You know, and we don't have enough time today. I'm just going to go over each one, but you could go to this website and look at that. And there's a place where you can ask questions before you buy the software. A lot of it's free. So when I was at the conference, there was one whole seminar about free apps. And there was a lot of free stuff out there that's good too. The other one that I really like is to record your expenses while you're on your phone, which also integrates with QuickBooks. E-ability. It's a time tracker and billing manager. So if you have a business where you have salespeople that are out on the road all the time, they can enter their time with their phone. They can do the invoicing with their phone. There's another app. We're going to just talk about the ones I know is kind of takes too much time to try to find each one. There's another app out there that you can take your phone, take a picture of your receipt. Like if you're a salesperson and you need to keep up with all your traveling expenses, you can take a picture of that receipt and it's like it's scanning it in, and it's called time and billing and expense manager. So it takes care of all of that for you. I mean, it will boggle your mind when you start looking at all the things that are out there. But this one, this is the one that I think is real easy to use from what I read. So it tracks and records every possible billable moment of your day. So, if you are doing a lot of things in one day and you don't want to forget to bill a client, because that's where you make your money by providing a service, and this is a good app for that. It's quiet here. View my paycheck. If you have employees, instead of, you can do direct deposit, and then you still have to give them a pay stub. Well, this is an app that allows your employees to log in, and they can see their pay stub. So they'll get an email saying, your pay stub's there. They go log in and they can look at it. So you don't have, and if they lose one, you don't have to make a copy for them. They can just go and get what they need. So that's a really good. And a lot of this is about making your office more efficient, using less paper.